past a stone engraved with the mile marker for the train drivers from another time. Two boys with fishing poles bike past us on the way to a fishing hole. They travel freely without any parents or adults of any kind to watch out for their safety. Perhaps this is an omen of sorts. Perhaps it was our first glimpse of a tiny fragment of the American dream. We continued on our quest in search of hot breakfast, coffee, and a playground.
Oh, this is the Red Fall.
River! Red Fall!
Look at that.
River, do you know why it's called Red Fall? Because it's a red waterfall. Yeah. Yeah. Good job. We made it.